Right, I don't know how much you can see, but I'm driving the 1972 Beetle that I've welded up at home. Bit noisy in here. Just dropping it off to the unit. I've done about 17 miles. I've driven here, there and everywhere, gets fuel, give it a good run. Brakes are pulling to one side, as you can see. So I've got new wheel cylinders, everything that I got out here, so we'll fix all that up. One brake light's out, and I've still got the generator light, so I've got to sort that out. Other than that, it drove perfect. Engine running well. I was only doing about 60 miles per hour going down the parkway. But yeah, overall, well happy. Feel a lot safer now it's all welded up. This is only my second time. So I'm here at the unit. And I'll show you when I'm parked up. So there we have it. 16 miles later. Sounding alright actually. Still ain't done the old valves. That'll be the first job here. But I'm gonna do, that's better. It's odd seat belts. So I've got a pair of them as usual. I'll put them in. Now while it's here, it's insured, taxed, all that, ready for the road. I'll use it as a go to the local village. My daughter works opposite, so I'll go there, get a Costa coffee, a sandwich. And I want to lower it, do the brakes, a few other jobs, so I'm in no rush to do it. But he's here. Got the patina bug in. A few of you thought I sold it, but no. Put it in, I've got the brakes to do. Just put it in the dry. Engine's going, Tim's picking that up. That's some rock and roll bed hinges for the camper van. Still looking good. Happy days that's here now, because I've got a new arrival coming later on this evening. It'll be dark, so I'll film that tomorrow. So with that, thanks for watching. Yeah, a little bit tight still like last time, but at least I can take the front brakes off, turn them around, do the backs. One little bit of welding, get the engine from my house to here, put them in, and out the door he goes. So happy with that. If I want to work on the Carmagil, which I am, I'll just pull this one out and pull him into the middle. So happy days, no problems. But this one's here now. So I'll still use it. Nice and sunny in the afternoons or mornings. I can do the little odd jobs, brake lights. Yeah, generator, sort of that light out. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Short video, but happy days at the workshop. Cheers. Generator needs polarizing. Sorry, I couldn't think of that word. So we'll sort that out here. But this is the yard, how it looks. Happy days.